Alright, let's see what we picked up today. Oh, it's bright out here this morning. Yeah, we picked up this little Husky. About a day or so ago. The gentleman said that the deck is not disengaging, so he's tired of dealing with it. Said keeps eating belts, and belts are not cheap. Yeah, it's been used. But I think it might clean up well. This is what I see so far. See how this is all bent and kind of smashed in there? See that? Maybe that has something to do with the belt keeping maybe engaging or something. But yeah, as soon as we get into it, but let's clean it up first. It's gonna be a hot one today. They say it's gonna be 96 here in northern Michigan. Just push off of there. Yep. Oh. Before we clean this thing up, let me show you what it's doing. I don't want to run over my water hose. It's staying engaged. So, but I'm going to clean this thing up like I said, and I'll bring you back. Okay, it didn't take much. The guy that I bought this off of, he said it's been garage kept its whole life, so and I believe him. It turned out really good, really nice. Oh, it's something about a red mower, I'm telling you. It just cleaned up really well. Oh, I gotta get some more of that off of there, eh? But yeah, moving on. All right, I got myself in the shade. Like I said, it's in the 90s today. Down. I'm gonna go ahead and get that deck off of there. Yeah, it looks bad underneath here still. Gotta get this spring off of there. And then bring this out. I'm suspecting there's something binding in here. Okay, got it out. Now let's see. This is definitely not right. That's definitely not right. So we have to take that apart here, and we have this here that was keeping it. Okay, that seems to be working okay. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up real good. So I just took this off of there. There's a big old hunk of grass that was all clogged up in there. Clean your decks, people. Very important. Yeah. Let that sit in there too much, it'll rot this whole thing out. Alright. Look at how, that was a lot. Okay, got it all cleaned up, and I went ahead and put that back on there properly. Yeah, now let's just kind of look through there and see what the heck is going on here. Why it keeps engaging so quickly. Maybe because of that. And I also noticed that the keeper on the main pulley, let me show you real quick. This has to be in this little hole right here, but it's not. It's, you see that little tip right there? That's supposed to be in one of these holes. So I'm gonna go underneath there and see where the paint is scratched out or rusty. That's usually where that this tip of this belt guide is mounting. This is what I'm talking about here, this thing. So usually it's a 9/16 or a 1/2 inch bolt that goes up through here that keeps this on. I'm going to go ahead and take that off, and then when I go to loop it on there, then we'll find out where that sits. So it is a few days later. We got our parts in. I'll put the link to in the description of these parts on Amazon. Yeah, it's pretty nice powder coated. Yeah, you need these or your belt is going to jump off and get ripped up in that. So yeah, let's get these on there. All right, go ahead and line it up. There we are. Boy, that looks nice, huh? Let's go ahead and start them real quick. Very nice. Very nice. All right, let's see if it'll stay engaged. All right. Yeah, that was not too bad, eh? Well, with that being said, remember, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless. Another one bites the dust.